So at this moment, around 68 million people are internally displaced or living as a refugee. And with 85% of all these people living in developing nations, this creates a huge burden. For the UNHCR, this is even the highest number on their records. Humanitarian professionals fly in and out to assist people, but there's a clear need for coordination and for information sharing. And that information sharing, evaluating varying strategies to increase information sharing, improve information sharing, that was the thing I looked into. So I developed a computer model to evaluate various information sharing strategies. And it is interesting to use a model in this case because first of all, it's very hard to track all the information in the field. But secondly, because you don't want to know what is effective in the next exact copy of Bangladesh, you want to know what strategies are effective in a whole wide range of possible future scenarios. So it's an agent-based model, so various humanitarian professionals are actually modeled into the simulation. They bring relief, they coordinate, they share information. Because people are flying in, flying out, there starts in a dynamic. And also you have local humanitarians, and they all cooperate to bring relief to the affected people. What I really would advise is to really reflect on how you share your information and look into options to work with more local staff. Well, secondly, we learned that handing over your information if you leave is not the most effective strategy. It's more effective to hand over the context that you have. So if you fly out, that you tell everyone that stay behind who you knew and who were good sources of information. I conducted this research with 510, the data initiative of the Netherlands Red Cross, together with colleagues here at the Delft University. I think that cooperation was really interesting, so I really encourage more organizations, also more students to get involved. And I think that the Humanitarian Technology Lab can be a very inspiring place to do so.